dog?
We're ready.
All right, go ahead.
Go ahead.
It won't ricochet, will it? He's shivering too much. He can't aim.
Try again.
I think it sure did. It's cold.
That is so cool.
Oh, this is just a blur on the screen. Wow. It really exploded.
I guess the gas wasn't even left.
It's cold out here.
Well, we get warmed up. Hey guys, it's nice and warm down here. Oh. That feels good. That feels really good.
Now it's gonna blow up.
Boom!
Now what?
Well, we wait for it to not to be on fire.
Wonder if Terry's gonna be an angry elf.
Nah, we'll be alright. Oh. It's warm.
Nice shooting, Tex.
Thank you, very little. Where did I hit it at? I hit it low? High. High? Oh shit, I did. That's good. I don't know what's burning so much. Huh?
Probably that liquid got all over the ground and everything.
It's liquid propane.
Oh, so that's propane right there, those puddles?
Yeah. Want to try shooting it again?
I'm gonna throw something at it. Jack.
Dude, let me see it.
How long is this gonna burn?
For a while.
Ooh!
Shut up. I throw it at it?
I don't know.
I didn't put it out. It must be lost. Probably. Go get the propane thing. Good.
Anybody got any snow?
Dude, why is the snow not burning? Or not melting? Right there, see?
Oh.
It's
No, get a picture of it.
it's got propane on the top, and it's not. That snow's not melting in there yet. It's just got propane on the top of the snow. Ah, cow
It's only
poop.
getting colder.
That is awesome.
That was sweet. We need some dynamite.
It wasn't as big as I thought it was gonna be. It just went.
Yeah.
I still think it's pretty cool. That's the biggest fireball I've ever